What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd make this video really quick to help everybody out there still looking for last minute Christmas presents for their dads. So let's get into last minute Christmas presents for dads. First, it's very easy, very simple, and that's to get them a decent amount of their favorite morning drink. That could be coffee, that could be energy drinks, that could be tea, whatever they like to drink in the morning to get their day started. I would get one of those. For me, it's 3D energy drinks. So I would be very happy if my wife and daughters just got me a case of 3D. 2, clothing. You all know that that's something we really wouldn't buy as dads for ourselves. Well, I would, but most dads really won't. So I would find something to replace their worn out coat, or their favorite shirt, or another pair of their favorite jeans. But if I had to pick one, it would be another pair of shoes. A pair of dad shoes that they can wear year round, something that they can wear in any type of weather, and something that looks good and is comfortable that they can wear all day long. Weirdly enough, I just made a video on that, and that's the Nike Windflow 11 Gore-Tex edition. That would be my suggestion, but Nike does make several other Gore-Tex shoes. So Brooks, Hoka's, Adidas, and Puma, I think, and several other brands do make Gore-Tex shoes that's going to be fantastic for any type of weather but still look good. Third idea is a new piece of convenient electronics. There's two things that come to mind here. First one is a new pair of headsets or earbuds. Up to you what brand you go with, but the new ones just look better. They're a lot more comfortable, and they do have new features that's going to be convenient for dads to use. And the other one I mentioned is a new power bank, because like me, I forget to charge things, from my phone to my watch to my earbuds. So a new power bank, a higher power output power bank would be an ideal thing to get your dad, and that's something you can easily get at Target, Best Buy, or Micro Center, or wherever you're at. Fourth idea is a gift card, but not in a lazy way though. Do a little research, a very quick research on project that they're looking on doing or finishing or something like that they're waiting to save up money for. And obviously that's where I would buy a gift card towards. Let's say if it's a home project, obviously then you'll end up going to Home Depot, Lowe's, where they might need something. Or it could be something for their hobby that they've been meaning to buy, but it's a little out of their price range, so that extra gift card might help them excuse me, might help them finally purchase whatever it is that they want. So the last idea I have for you guys is a ticket to a show or a sporting event or something that your dad would like to go to. I know obviously that's something that they won't just buy for themselves, or maybe they've been thinking about going to a show or a football or basketball game, but they just haven't pulled the trigger. Well, now here's your chance to make them go to that game or to that show. If I personally had to pick one, if my wife and daughter would get me a ticket to something, it would be to a comedy show. The last one we went to was Matt Rife. Laughed our butts off. It was so much fun, and yeah, I just love going to comedy shows of already established comedians or up-and-coming ones. So that is it, guys. That is my video on last minute gift ideas for dads. And if you guys found this video helpful, or if you thought that I missed something, let me know down in the comments. And if my wife and kids actually decide to get me anything off this video, I would love it, because I would find them all very, very, very useful. Stay safe, stay comfy, stay caffeinated, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one. Peace.